Brisket smoked on the Old Country Petco's. I like to keep these aluminum foil pans handy because you can see we're good. And about 20 minutes ago, guys, 40 minutes. It's not gonna hurt them at all. And remember, chicken already hit an internal temp of 100. Remember at the beginning I said I didn't like it this way. Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be smoking some of these beautiful Texas-sized short ribs. So you can see this is kind of like a brisket. All right, it has a little bit of a fat cap right here, which I'm going to trim a lot of it off because you can see, whoops, you can see the marbling inside of the meat. It has plenty of fat. A lot of folks don't like to take off the membrane, but I'm going to take it off. I don't want to eat that stuff. And what I'm going to use is my go-to brisket rub, and I'm going to use a local spice that I really like to use a lot. It's from the Don Juan's Spice Company. It's called the Chupa Hueso, and it has a strong tenderizing agent. I'm pretty sure it's papaya. That's what I pick up, but not really sure. But let me get these things ready, and then I'll show you how they look like all seasoned up. Today we're going to be smoking those ribs on my Pit Boss pellet grill. It's an 820 FB, and I have it on the smoke. Well, I had it on the smoke setting for a while now. It's ready to set it to the desired temp. I set my P setting to 5, and I'm going to start it off at 250 degrees. The hopper is full of pellets. And the pellets that I'm using today are these Pit Boss Classic Pecan Hickory and Mesquite Blend. It's a very, very good combination, guys. Give it a try. I tried it the other night. As a matter of fact, I used it on that chicken video I just uploaded a few days ago. Really, really good stuff. So let's shut the lid, let this smoker come to temp, and we'll be back. So the smoker went a little bit over 250 degrees, so I know that when I open the lid we're going to lose some heat, so I'm going to go ahead and slap those ribs in the smoker. Let me go get them. Alright, let's place them in the smoker. I'm going to place these beef ribs on the top rack. Since this one's a little bit smaller, I'll put it over here to the far end, because my grill tends to get hotter on this side. And put a little chunky right here. It smells really good already. Let's shut the lid, guys, and we'll check on them, I'll say in about 2 hours. So I'm going to make a very simple mopping sauce. I already have 5 ounces of my favorite barbecue sauce. You can use whatever you want, whatever you like. But if you're interested, I use the Sweet Baby Ray's or the Casey Masterpiece. But I have the Sweet Baby Ray's today. So I'm just gonna add like 1, 2, 3 spoonfuls of white vinegar. Then I'm gonna add about 2 ounces of water. I'm gonna add some brisket rub. 1, 2 spoons of it. I didn't fill them all the way to the top. Then I'm gonna add about 2 ounces of Dr. Pepper. You can use Coke. Well, 3 ounces, give or take. And let's stir it up. I don't want it to be too thick, guys, so I might add a little bit more. I want it sweet and tangy, and not too thick. Let's see. I'm gonna thin it out just a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. There we go. And there you go. So I'm just gonna pop it in the fridge and wait a little bit longer till I need it. I need to run a quick errand, guys, so I'm gonna check the ribs real quick. And I know that you've seen me add a water bowl before, but it rained last night, so the humidity is very high here back home. So I'm just gonna spray it with water. That's all I use. Nothing but H2O, no flavor, no nothing. Just gonna spritz it down pretty liberally. Smells really good. It's been 45 minutes, guys. Let me shut the lid. I'm gonna go run my errand and I'll be right back. So 1 hour and 45 minutes into the cook. Let's take a peek. Look at that. Let's get a nice color. I don't see any pullback on the bones. Well, this one has a little bit. Let's spritz it with water. And let's shut the lid. So 2 hours exactly into the cook, guys. Let's check it out. Look at that color, guys. That nice mahogany color. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm gonna show you something real quick. I have my instant read thermometer here, and look, these are nowhere done, but they are. Don't pay attention to that. It's 173 internal degrees. I wasn't going for temperature, guys. I just wanted to show you the tenderness. So they're pretty tender, but they still have a ways to go. See right there. Okay. Got some resistance. So got some pullback right here, which is good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these in the aluminum foil pan, and I'm going to add my mopping sauce that I showed you earlier, and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. Let's put these bad boys, I like to put them meat side down. How they're still pretty stiff. Meat side down. Then use this mopping sauce. A little windy out here, guys. Sorry about that. Just pour it all over. There you go. Smells really good. Wrap it up nice and tight. And let's pop them in the smoker for another hour. We'll check on them. Well, 3 hours and 15 minutes into the cook, guys. Let's check them out. Yikes. Yep, it's hot. Look at that, guys. Tender test. Oh yeah, check it out. Very tender. These bad boys are done. I'm gonna pull them out of the pit. I'm gonna let them rest for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna slice into them, guys. Inside. Well, here you go, guys. About 3 hours and 15 minutes later. Look at that. Look at that smoke ring, guys. I bet you these bad boys are juicy too. Yeah. Slice into them. See if I can bring this in a little bit closer for you. Right there, check out that smoke ring, guys. See all that juice in there? Nice and juicy. Alright guys, so I just showed you how to make these Texas style beef ribs very, very quick and very simple. As you can see, you get very good results if you just, focus on what you're doing. Take your time to prep them, and don't open your pit that often, guys. Because if you're looking, like they say, you ain't cooking. And look at these results. You can also get these results if you want to. Guys, if you have any questions, please drop them down below. If you like the video, please hit that like button, and thanks for watching, guys.